Okay, hello, good morning everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. So again, if you are watching together with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. Okay, and a quick disclaimer before we start for this morning section. I'm personally not doing any buy and sell calls. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you go on trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. Okay. So now again, we're gonna look into back what is happening today. Okay, in the KLSC market over here. So yesterday actually is a big drop lah. We do have gap down. I think dropped 30 over points, right? So 35 points yesterday. Okay, so almost going into the next support level. Okay, so today we do see the price hang on. So which means probably a technical rebound might happen. But again, the background, everything is still very, very, very bearish. Okay, so make sure you prepare for that. Okay, so I think it will be a technical rebound or come. The market will probably come for next few days. Okay, because they have been dropped quite badly. We already been see some gaps for 3 days in a row. So this is the drop. Okay, two days in a row. Sorry. Okay, gaps 2 days in a row. So probably some technical rebound might happen. Okay, I think that probably will get back to 1530 level. Probably test on this gap. Hopefully. Okay, so probably you want to look into some quick short-term opportunity, okay, on this how rebound trades. But again, do remember continue to use the hourly chart. Okay, if let's say you want to aim for something short-term, so, okay, like for myself, I'm using the hourly chart later on, okay, to check so-called potential reversal stocks. Okay, temporary reversal stocks. Okay, so now let's look into weekly for FBM KLCI. So against my guess is that the next support will be probably somewhere around this area. I think yesterday we did talk about it, 1467, if not mistaken. So let me check again, 1567 area. Yeah. So this is probably the next so-called crucial support level that you have to monitor. Okay. Right now it's hanging around 1500. But let's say daily chart wise, it's actually show quite bearish overall. Okay, so I think that probably it will retest around 1467. Okay, next. Okay, now let's do into some counters. Okay, do let me know if you got any stocks that you want me to look into. Okay, so today also nothing much. Okay, actually for me, maybe we look for something new. Okay, for us to explore for short-term opportunity. Looks like it will have a temporary reversal, like I said. Okay, let's do into the hourly chart first, but this is just the first 30 minutes of the day. So I don't think we get so-called loss of chart pattern and setups. Okay, yeah. There's one candle over here, probably later on we come back and check again. So how well, let's see how well it actually tests around 1500 level. Okay, now let's go back to some stocks. Yesterday I do post out some stock with hammer. Okay, actually some stock with hammer actually still pretty nice. Okay, so you can actually try to monitor that. Maclean is one of them. Okay, so this is a nice hammer. Yesterday come with volume. Today still holding well so far. Okay, so this is one of the stocks that actually do have some sort of like a reaccumulations happening somewhere around here. Okay, so of course at the top we do see some selling, okay, distributions. Okay, but against you, if let's say you want to remain purely trading on sideways range short term, I think this one's still possible. Of course, I'm not going to aim until here because this looks like a big selling area. Okay, so maybe you want to trade within this range. Okay, I think still pretty good. It gives you around like 10-15% kind of potential returns. Okay, so this is first one, Maclean, which is kind of a nice hammer. The other one actually still holding very well is MMAG, if not mistaken. Okay, after the big hammer over here, okay, the price just hold well. Today actually got some small movement. So well, again, if you like that, but for me, probably I would like to look for something that's coming from reversal. Okay, so let's see. Okay, any stocks that is actually in my trick signal over here. Okay, at least today morning get a little bit more active. Okay, compared to a few days ago. So again, if you got any counter, just let me know. So red color I probably just avoid because red color actually is my bearish signal. The reason why I put in red nowadays because I want to see market who is more active. Okay, so let's say I see lots of bearish signal, which means I know that okay, today is not a day. Okay, so if let's say I see more green, maybe yes, we want to look for some temporary rebound kind of trades. Okay, so this is the reason why I put it the bear signals inside also. So okay, now let's look into PPB, but PPB, okay, yeah, looks like a reversal is coming, crossing on a 2040 also lah. So maybe a temporary reversal is coming. This is already in a reversal, but not a very strong one. So make sure you keep short terms. But this one is wow, 12, 11 ringgit. Wow. Okay, tak apa lah. I look for other first. Okay, Ming Ho. Okay, this is illiquid gas Malaysia. I think also. Gas Malaysia. Gas Malaysia not bad actually. Of course, probably not now lah. But looks like they are trying to form some sort of like a triangle kind of patterns. Okay, a bit similar like what stocks already? SDG. Is it SDG? Okay, or maybe you can put it up somewhere around here. Okay, so this is the area lah. Okay, previous resistance, support, support, support. Okay, so maybe still will range in this in this so-called area over here. Breakup from here would be nice. Okay, so yes, Gas Malaysia looks like they are building a nice so-called flag over here with a kind of like pullbacks. Okay, so let's try another one. MMAG. Okay, just now we covered. JHM. Okay, JHM, at least so far they are actually holding well at this support. Unlike those like the rest of the related or maybe tech counters, and they drop badly after the support. Okay, so this one actually still holding well. Okay, so here we have some high volume reversal, failed but tested. Okay, so this one I think still got a chance, probably still worthwhile to look into and monitor. Okay, for JHM. Okay, so let's look into others. We got any others or not? Centauria, I think a liquid counters that no. G-Tronic also disappointing. Okay, but looks like it's really coming back. But if you realize, even though right now it's the first 30 minutes, I understand that sometimes 30 minutes the volume might be low. But for me, overall still very low. Okay, so by right, okay, during reversal, volumes should be strong on up bar. And sometimes we can see immediately already. During the market open, or maybe after lunch, we take a look into it again. But so far, the volume for me is still pretty low. Okay, so again, this kind of like telling me that okay, this rebound probably is just a temporary recovery. Okay, it's not going to like shoot up to the resistance. Okay, so yeah, if you really want to enter right now, participate in the market right now, okay, make sure you know what is the thing that you should expect. Okay, so again, this is Pastech also not too bad, but today also not strong. Okay, today just above and volume very low. But sometimes volume, okay, sometimes what happens is that we do see above, but volume is very low. Okay, the reason why because just purely because today seller is getting lesser, or maybe seller gone already, so that's why they up a little bit. Okay, with low volumes, but doesn't mean that the buyer is coming back to support and push the market. Okay, so yeah, unless I see some nice volume, if not, probably no. Okay, now let's go for Rico Buran Auto, B Auto. Do let me know any stocks that you're looking into so that we can study together. Sometimes I miss out also. Now B Auto, interesting, still downtrend. Okay, this one kind of remind me of what happened to Inari also. We do see a cumulative volume. Let's put in this into weekly chart so we can see better. Okay, one of the highest volume. Okay, so normally when we see high volume, we do expect some sort of like a reversal might form, but this one it didn't form. Okay, but sometimes like that. After high volume, price might go down, slowly it turns back. Okay, so sometimes it will drop another one like this, double bottom before it go. Okay, so for me, if next few weeks, okay, what usually this is how I do using high volume. If next few weeks price able to trade in this range over here, which is the high volume candle range, okay, I think that this is a good setups for us to try out. Okay, it's a good setup for us to try out. Okay, so kind of similar like Inari also. If I can give you some example later, I'll show you more. Okay, so this is usually how I deal with those like high volume. Here got or not? Here don't have. Okay, here don't have. Later I show. Huh? So okay, now here also high volume, but price drop. Okay, so sometimes over here probably you will start to form some double bottom. Okay, maybe I was kind of like look for entry from here. High volume is good on downtrend. Okay, but doesn't mean that sometimes it will stop the trend totally. It will have another few round before it goes up. Okay, previously I think I showed before, but I cannot recall what stocks already. Okay, now let's look into XOX. Wow. Actually, I didn't follow XOX for some time, so this one's very strong right now. Okay, few things lah. XOX I think is quite famous for pump and dump previously. It's a smart money play account counters. So TC1, I'm not sure you're looking for entry or exit. Okay, I'm not sure you're looking for entry or exit. If looking for entry right now, definitely I think the risk is high, but trend is still there. Okay, they are still riding along the 20 MA. Okay, which is I think is still good. Trend right is still good. Okay, but notice there is some changes in the setups already. So which means what I'm trying to say is that you don't expect this kind of rally again from 20 cents to almost 60 cents. Okay, you don't expect this kind of rally. Okay, maybe it's another maybe to 60 or maybe 60 above. I think still possible. But if you want to expand 100%, I think unlikely right now. Okay, few reasons why. Because here looks like, okay, if you notice over here down, this is what I means by sometimes by candle itself, you notice there's some changes in characteristics. So for example, over here, okay, up bar with high volume, okay, widespread candle, this is normal. Then followed by a series of so-called narrow candle, and the candle is very consistent, right? If you notice here, so this is all narrow candles. But once you notice that the candle started to change, it can become wider, and wider, right? So which means maybe some characteristics have changed already. All right, so maybe people are start to sell at the top. So this over here also looks like people are started to sell at 60 cents level. Okay, we got some high volume over here. Okay, let's try if we can spot some insider buying. So, but normally this kind of pump and dump counters, they will hide the footprints. Here got who is buying? We kept globals, okay, but the rest started only one only. Okay, but normally this kind of a little bit of pump and dump counters, normally they won't use the, okay, I mean they will hide the footprints. Okay, so it's not easy to track. So okay, now again, setup wise is still good based on technical point of view. Trend still up, okay, but careful on this level because here looks like got some sort of selling. Okay, we got some increasing volume, okay, on the rejection bar over here. Okay, if you want to look for later support, okay, here we got one strength candle, which is somewhere around here. So this will be your, sorry, I'm drawing over here. Okay, so this will be your immediate support around 50 cents level. Okay, so you can use the strength candle. The next one will be probably somewhere around here as well, these two. Okay, these two area. Okay, I would think that this level over here also quite good. 45 cents area. Okay, but this one once it break below the 20 MA, you have to start watch out already also. Because normally this kind of counters, right, you notice respecting well one 20 MA. If let's say break, okay, you know they will go into a period of sideways. Okay, what I can show you, I think, is Tenaga. Good morning, Ruku. Okay, any other counters that you want me to take a look? Okay, just let me. Oh no, I didn't notice Tenaga yesterday dropped. Okay, wow, volume so low today. Okay, I'm thinking whether I'm to lock my remaining of my profits or not. Okay, so example this one. So if you notice, right, here, okay, it keep respecting on the 20 MA. Okay, here, and then all of a sudden, oops, let me remove this. Okay, all of a sudden it did below. Okay, you know that the trend started to change already. Okay, so for XOX, okay, you probably want to watch how these few patterns also. Okay, but so far so good lah. Still within the trend, but again, don't expect 100 200%. Okay, don't expect that. Okay, hi Zach. IT Max opinion, please. Plan for EP, but looks like change of behavior. Go for EP. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, welcome TC. Okay, IT Max. Ayo, what happened? Gap down, hammer, double hole. Okay, this one if I were you, I will wait first. Okay. Normally I don't like this kind of not to say don't like that, but uh I think they still got potentials there. Okay. But normally if let's say the stocks, right, they break up but feel they goes back, right, it's gonna take time. Or what they do is that they will make a shakeout and push back. Okay, and this one come with a gap with high volume also lah. So which means seller at this moment still very strong. Okay, if you really want to support level is the safest one currently, 3 ringgit 40 cents right now. Okay, 3 ringgit 40 cents right now is the safest if you really want to enter. Okay, but for me usually if I see this kind of so-called false breakout, okay, which is they break already but they drop back, especially high volume, I wait for them to test support, okay, for a few weeks to months. Sometimes it will take months. Okay, then slowly they go back again. Okay, example if I can show, let's try whether the Naga, I think the Naga got, because the time when they break, right, I thought yes, it's coming already, but Indian tak jadi. I think yeah lah. Okay, a bit similar here lah. A bit similar here lah. Okay, a bit similar. Of course, IT Max is they break sideways for weeks, then drop. Okay, so like this one, they try to break jalan, okay, but they drop back. Okay, then now looks like doing wash, but sometimes this kind of wash can be very deep, can be very long. Okay, yeah lah. Maybe I just exit first. Okay, then let's see whether got wash or not. Got wash, maybe I enter back again. So okay, now another reasons why I don't like false breakup. Okay, not to say that they game over. I still think that, like for example, Tenaga, I still think that they got chance to continue right further. But normally got a false breakout. It representing that seller is very strong right now. The stocks need to take a break at this moment, and maybe the sideway will happen for even for years. I think like another example this one extremely boring counter, but Jalan one is Uchitan. Okay. This one is also one of them. Okay, I cannot recall where is it really. Years ago, I can feel around this one. Okay, I forgot. I think somewhere around here. This is how long? 2021. Okay, yeah. Sometimes this kind of so-called false breakout can last for years. Okay, one can say that. Okay, so here one they reject. Here it break already. But it very fast it dropped back. Okay, notice here it created a wash. It created a wash. Sideways they only break. Okay, so this period here sometimes can take sometimes. Okay, so if you want to trade IT Max, yeah, expect this kind of movement. Okay, but so far for me, I will see whether it will do this kind of wash or test on support. Okay, probably let them sideways for a few more weeks. I think it will be good. Okay, any counters you want me to look into? Okay, if not, probably we just end our section this morning. Again, markets come again, right? So it come a little bit against. Looks like some stocks trying to do a little bit of technical rebound, but don't get overly too excited. If you are those that who are not fast in, fast out type, buy and hold for a few weeks. I think for me, it's not a time yet. Okay, right now I just still monitor some counters like IT Max. I think is nice previously, but I didn't enter also because when market bets, everything drop. Okay, so this is normal thing. We will look into the overall market sentiments. So let's say market sentiment still not too strong. Okay, I just continue to stay away first. I think before 17, I didn't trade any stocks really. Okay, welcome Ruku. So yeah lah, nothing much today lah. So unless we spot something interesting, okay, I'll post in the Telegram. For those that who don't know, we have Telegram channel, XIFU Telegram. Join us in the Telegram. Okay, if you spot any nice counter also, you're welcome to post into there. Ask us some questions, okay, or maybe you got some ideas, just share with us. Okay, we are happy to do a little bit sharing in our Telegram. All right. So with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. I will see you tomorrow.